Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to stop orders from Canada on your Shopify store. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it. Follow me. Let's get started. So we're looking at my Shopify store. To stop shipping to Canada or stop processing orders from Canada, go down to Settings, lower left corner, click on that, and then click on Shipping and Delivery. And what we're going to do is we're going to edit the shipping rates and shipping zones so Canada is excluded. So you'll see general shipping rates or something like that. Select that, and then scroll down until you come to the area where all of the destinations are shown, usually grouped by region or country. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate Canada as an option. This is actually comes up for real for my business because sometimes I found, depending on how shipping is set up, sometimes my Canadian customers get asked to pay huge taxes, import taxes, for some of the goods we ship, which are they feel that they're misled, and if we don't want to have them even deal with that, we can either change the shipping settings or just eliminate them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the three dots here. You can just delete it right away. The other thing you can do is just click Edit Zone and then deselect Canada and then click Done. Actually, they're not going to let me do that, so I'm just going to delete the whole zone. So Canada is no longer an option. Make sure that you click the Save button up here in the upper right corner so that particular option is saved. And then if someone from Canada comes to visit your Shopify store, they just won't have the option to order something from you if it requires fulfillment. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And thank you so much for watching.